MJT Roofing.
Well, my name is Manuel Tenecota. Most people call me Manny. So at MJT Roofing, we offer roofing services from repairs to replacements. We also offer gutters installation and siding replacements or repairs. My mission is to provide the homeowners with the best quality roofs that we can possibly give at an affordable price. To replace a roof usually is a 1 or 2 day project depending on the size of the project and the complexity of the project. Our goal is to leave the property exactly as we found it when we get in the morning. A couple of things that the guys do to take care of the homeowner's property, it's when they get there, they remove all the decorations that they might have. We put plywood around the AC units to protect them. So what sets MJT Roofing apart is transparency. We usually try to get in the bare minimum 100 pictures per project, so the customer knows exactly what's going on in the roof. What a homeowner should do to start working with us is first just give us a call and let us inspect your roof. And then the process starts from there.
MJT